So, willkommen! Heute nehme ich euch mal mit auf meine Hausstrecke und zeige so ein bisschen die Highlights, einfach so einen kleinen Zusammenschnitt von gerade der Strecke, die ich, wenn ich mal Bock habe, ein bisschen zu fahren. 1-2 Stündchen so bei mir in der Gegend die besten Sachen rauszusuchen. Genau, einfach zurücklehnen und genießen.
The demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Lonely now, I'll give up everything. Daunting, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right.
running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy of me just being honest. The fake ones hate, but it's not no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting if I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything, make what I want a reality. Oh, wait, I'll give up everything, daunting if I can see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
Hier ist eher ein Teil zum Genießen. Ich hoffe, man versteht mich.
Sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that
Ah ja, ah ja, ah ja. Gute Oldtimer-Ausfahrt, da sind wir ganz wahrscheinlich ein paar Geldscheine vorbeigefahren. Jetzt sind wir am besten Stück angelangt. Die Sonne kommt auch ein bisschen raus. Perfekt. Falls jemand aus Bad Wurzach oder Umgebung ist, mit das Beste, was man hier fahren kann, gefühlt. Digga, keine Ahnung, Alter. So viel zu meiner Hausstrecke. Ja, genau, Treffin. Super. Boah, was ist das für eine Kurve? Holy moly. war das für Kurve? Aber wild. What? Ah, bin ich. Ah, ich glaube, ich bin. Ja. Ah, ich bin eins zu spät. Ah ja. Da kommt man nochmal. Von da oben. Von da oben? Ja, von da oben. Nein? Ah, von der Richtung ungefähr. Ja, ich glaube, das. Oh. Jetzt muss ich wohin? Wege rein. Ich glaube so rüber. Oh Gott, ich war hier schon so oft. Und jetzt weiß ich nicht mehr, wie es alles zusammengeht. Im Zweifelfall fühlt mich für Euro zurück. Bauhofen. Sieht mal gut an. Ah, jetzt, ja, hier. Optimal. Ja, sind wir richtig. Ja, genau. Super. Eieieiei. So, jetzt geht die Party los. Oh, das war so schwere Geburt. Jetzt kommen ein paar richtig schöne Kilometer. Schön entspannt. Geil. Hier ist nie was los, egal wenn ich hier fahre. Wir haben Samstag. Nix. Seele baumeln lassen. Pipi machen. Genau, das ist so mehr oder weniger das Ende hier im Diepholzhofen. Drehe ich meistens um und fahre wieder zurück. Dann war ich auch eine Weile unterwegs. Sag ich mal, danke fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Wir ein Wiegelchen kriegen. Oh, meine Eier! Ah ja, geht. Ah, was ist jetzt da los, ey?